Good morning. Here we are again on the Mississippi River on the Wisconsin side. We're on the ferry right now, and here you can see, I'll show you real quick, the ferry through my dirty window here. There you go. Let's zoom back out. And so here we are back on the ferry. So over here on the Iowa side, you can see the lattice cranes. There's two of them sticking up in the air, two red ones. Anyway, the wider part of the bridge section that's coming out over there, which would be on the right side, is the new bridge. And the old bridge is still sitting there that they haven't taken down yet. Now, this has been 5 weeks ago. They blew up the section that goes across the channel here. So we're back again just to show people what's going on. So right now the ferry's moving. We're taking off and heading this direction, which will be going to the Iowa side. So there it is, ladies and gentlemen. The new and old bridge. One is already over by the new lattice crane, the red one right there. So I'm going to switch over here and here is the captain up there. He's swinging the barge around, the tug, so he'll be able to pile us across the, and then way down there, I'm going to zoom in, okay, so with me, this one down here is down, the barge down there breaking up ice, and here he's just now getting around to the other side over here. So now he has control of the ferry. I'll try to come back around the front side over here. So look at this. Alright, switching out the window so you get to see the new section of bridge, and the old section that hadn't come down yet. The new bridge is a lot wider. It's going to be around for quite a long time. These people here, they don't stop working, they just keep going. So right now we're on the Mississippi River, headed upstream, going to the Iowa side. Really, really cool. So there's the pusher barge with the ferry, in the background of the bridge, and the lattice cranes. Okay guys, we'll see you on the next video.